So I wanted to make a quick little video addressing this Twitter post by Peter Carter titled Arctic Methane Hydrate Venting, where he shows this imagery from Copernicus that shows these slightly higher levels of methane at the surface and blaming it on methane hydrate venting, saying, okay, these are from these shelves, right? We've got Alaska North Slope. Hey, there's all this natural gas hydrates, right? And, he's got this map that seems like it's related, but I look at this and I call total BS. Because the first thing, well, I'll look in a little bit closer here. The first thing I notice is that I look at this area that he's pointing to and this area that he's pointing to. And then I look at, and this is dated March 3rd. And then I look at sea ice on March 5th, and these areas are currently covered in sea ice. And Peter Carter must not know his basic geography, because you look at this spot, and if you know anything about oil and gas development and infrastructure, you'll notice that that is coming from Prudhoe Bay, which is the center of oil and gas development on Alaska's North Slope. And that this actually is coming from, that basically all of this is just being released from oil and gas development. But if you don't take my word for it, let's take this is Copernicus, and I'm starting on March 2nd instead of March 3rd, so you can see where it's coming from, where it's moving. Arctic at the surface. So let's go back to March 2nd, and if we press play here, you'll see it venting from Prudhoe Bay. Like, this is just straight up just coming from the oil field on Alaska's North Slope. That is where all that methane is coming from. If you go back here, there will be a point where you see it's kind of the air currents split. Some go this way, some go this way. And so we've got that other bit here that he was pointing out on like March 3rd, wherever that went. And it really was basically coming from the same place. But we've also got oil and gas development here in western Siberia, like up on the Yamal Peninsula, places. I was just kind of doing some Google searches for some maps here. We've also got definitely a lot of activity there. But really, if you're looking at this and you're latching onto this, why are you not looking at this? Look at this over eastern China. Look at this over northern India and in Pakistan. Look at this on the east coast or eastern United States. How is it that you're latching onto this saying, oh, this is methane hydrates? Where's the real source of the methane? Here. So it just seems like completely unnecessary fear-mongering, and it isn't even what he's claiming it is. All it is Alaska's North Slope doing as it always does, which is not a good thing. I'm not saying it's a good thing, but that this is not methane hydrate venting. This is oil and gas industry doing what it does. So don't mean to rain on your doom parade, but this is a total nothing burger. Thanks for listening.